Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna create a back to school makeup look. But before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and please stick around. So first up, you need a foundation that's lightweight and that you're also sure that it would stay all day long. My favorite foundation for this is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. It's a very lightweight foundation. I really love it. It has a natural second skin finish and it's pretty lightweight and it's high coverage at the same time. And I think this one has SPF as well, so it's perfect for everyday use. So when you're going to school in the morning, you need a makeup look that's fast to create and also not like overboard, not too much colors. A very natural makeup that's also fast to create. So I'm gonna apply my foundation using the Pro Perfecting Sponge by Nikea Joy Cosmetics. It's up to you whether to apply with a sponge or a brush, whichever faster for you. So I take a pump on the back of my hand like this and I'll start applying my foundation. I really love this sponge so much. It doesn't absorb a lot of product and it also applies your foundations and concealer very smoothly and it gives an airbrushed finish to the skin. Remember to take the foundation down your neck as well. Many people forget about this step and it's very important. So it usually takes me about 3 pumps of this foundation to apply it all over my face. Also remember to take the foundation into your hairline because there is always a color difference here. You want to blend that foundation into your hairline to remove that color difference. Also take whatever is remaining on the sponge and run it on your ears. It's also up to you whether to apply primer or not, but it's very important to do your skincare actually before applying your makeup and leave it for about 30 minutes to give your skin a chance to actually absorb the products and prep your skin for makeup application. Now I'll take the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline and apply it only in the areas that I need, like brightening and color correcting. And I'll also use it to prep my eyes for my eye makeup. So I'll just do a couple of dots here and on the bridge of the nose, my chin, and a little bit on my forehead, and actually just a couple of dots here and there. And with the same sponge or brush that you use to apply your foundation, I'm gonna blend in the concealer. Now take your favorite translucent powder, the one that actually works for you, makes your makeup stay all day. My favorite is the Velvet Finishing Powder by Nikea Joy Cosmetics. It's perfect for setting your makeup in place all day and keeping it shine free, and also blurs any texture on your skin. So I'm gonna apply it everywhere I applied my concealer, and whatever is left on the sponge, I'm gonna run it on the rest of my face. So the best way I apply the translucent powder is I actually press it into the skin like this. I prefer this way over baking. And now you can see the difference that this powder makes. So this is the side that has the powder, and this is the side that doesn't have the powder. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of powder to set the rest of my face. And now I need to add some warmth to my face, so I'm gonna use this sleek makeup face form contouring and blush palette, and I'm gonna use the bronzer color in this palette. I'm gonna actually treat it as bronzing slash contour kind of situation. So I'm gonna take just a little bit on a brush. I'm gonna run it on my cheeks like this. Remember to always tap off the excess of any product, any powder product. Blush, bronzer, contour, powder contour, eyeshadow of course. You want to avoid it being patchy when it has a lot of product that you can blend it out. And I'm gonna take a little bit on my temple here. If you think you went overboard with your bronzer or blush, take the same sponge or brush that you applied your foundation with and blend out any excess. It will absorb any excess product on your face. And now for blush, I'm gonna be using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Coralina. I love this one so much. It's a coral shade blush. As you can see, it has a little bit of gold in it. Gives a little luminosity to your face. So this one is pretty pigmented, so I'm gonna dip my brush in it really softly, tap off the excess and apply it on my face very softly. And I like to add a little bit to my nose as a natural sun-kissed look. Now for the eye makeup, I'm gonna be using this Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. So it's basically a nude eye pencil, looks like this. I'm gonna run it on my waterline. It gives the illusion of a wider eye or more awake eye look. And now for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. I love this one so much because I like this type of wands and it's actually very suitable to my small eyes. And also, if you want to add more depth to your eye, you can take the same bronzer shade that you used before and take it on a fluffy eyeshadow brush and run it into your crease just to give your eyes a little more depth and dimension. And it also looks very natural. And now I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper in the shade Medium Dark, just to give my eyebrows a little bit more definition. No need to fill them with eyebrow pencil. We want this look to be more natural. So I always like to comb it upwards first and take the remaining of the product on the spoolie and run it on the beginning of the eyebrow. As for highlight, I'm gonna be using the middle shade here in the Sleek palette because it's a very subtle highlight shade. I like to do it in more natural looks like this. So I tap off the excess and I apply it to the high points of my face. Little bit on my nose here. Cupid's bow and my chin. And I like to take a little bit on a small eyeshadow brush and highlight my inner corners and brow bones. Makes a lot of difference in the eye look. And now for the lips, I'm gonna be using this MAC lip gloss in the shade Love Child. Also, you can apply any nude color or very light pink color. It's totally up to you. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on all my social media accounts. I will link everything in the description box down below. Let me know if you guys like this type of video and please send me any suggestions of videos or makeup looks you'd like me to do. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And I think this one has SPF as well, so it's good. So it's so when you're, and now for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Bad Gal Bangat Brow Artist Plumper in the shade